Hi everybody, I'm Jennifer from Rural Hampshire, and this episode is brought to you by whispersinink.net. And I'm super excited to bring you a second video or an extra video for the week, because I normally only do one. This week I'm going to do two, because this card and its two sisters are getting quite a bit of interest. So I'm going to teach you how I did the two sister cards, and you'll be able to figure out how I did this one. What you're going to need is your Rooted in Nature, and you're going to need just this second of the two pieces, because you need these two leaves and this, and then the You Are Wonderful, which, by the way, you are wonderful if somebody hasn't told you that today. I'm going to put this to the side because I already have my stamps on my blocks. The other things that you're going to need are soft suede, old olive, and Cajun Craze ink. And then you'll need the leaves trinkets here, and the Cajun Craze twine from the Come Together, which is in the holiday book. And let's get started. I'm super excited. You are also going to need a couple of scrap pieces that you don't mind messing up. And let's get started with our basic card base, or our card layer. This is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And for this one, we're going to start with the log, and then we're going to build it up. So we're going to take our soft suede, and we're going to ink up our stamp. Make sure it's well inked. Stamp it off, and then stamp the one log. And we're going to go round and round with the colors because it's easier to follow it one at a time. Our next color is Cajun Craze, and this is for our our triple leaf bunch, or a leaf bunch, excuse me. And we're going to put these all the way, and really you only need 4, but I am flip-flopping them to make it interesting. There. And we're going to put that to the side. And then we're going to pull in our old olive for that leaf. And we're going to add, let me grab my scrap piece, because this one for sure is going to go over. I'm going to put one here. One here. And then I think this one, actually I'm going to stamp off, and I'm going to put that one there. Just like that. Then we're going to bring in the layer for our You Are Wonderful. We're going to ink that up. And you guys, I am purposely leaving this closer to the bottom. I'm sorry for the construction noise in the background, you guys. And then we're going to close that up, and I'm going to move this so that you can see all the pieces. The next part that we're going to do is we're going to do a bow here. And you guys, don't sweat it if you can't do a bow. If you can only do a knot, then do a knot. It doesn't matter. It's your card. You don't want to put one on there, then don't. If you don't have this one, put on white one. You guys don't want to sweat all that stuff. Life is too short to be sweating the small stuff. Trim that to size. Our sizing for our loops is good. We're just going to use the tape runner to adhere this. And you guys, I'm so excited. I need blades for my trimmer, but I don't want to put them on because my new one's on the way. I'm so excited. Can't wait for it to get here. Still working on my scraps for my little dimensionals. Put those on. Oh, and there's my brown truck. Actually, we'll put this on our layer first. Here's the other thing. I had 2 different sizes of card bases. This one's 5.5 by 8.5, and this one's 4 1/4 by 11. Guess what? We're gonna use them. It's what I had already cut. Don't want to waste. Then, and you can use them. We'll put our tape runner on here. Put this on here. We'll put this. We have the lady UPS driver today. And there is the 1 step-up version of that. I can't wait to show you this next one. All right, I'm gonna put this one, I'll bring it all back out when we're done. Definitely gonna need the scrap piece for this one because we stamp off a lot on the edges, a lot more, as you can see. Look at, there's a hint right there what we're gonna do. Starting off same way that we did the last one. Ink, stamp off. And you're asking me, why do I stamp off? Because I want that color, the rich color of the soft suede. Oh, look at that. I stamped the wrong, look at that. How do we fix that? We flip it over. I used the wrong ink. Busy talking. All right. It happens. That's why there's 2 sides. No big deal. Now we're going to ink. We're going to stamp off. I want the soft suede color, but I want to be able to see the other copper leaves. So I want the darker brown, but because crumb cake's a little bit too light, which is why I'm stamping off the color, a little bit of the color. We're going to put this one here. And then we're going to put this one down here. Soft suede's done. Log is done. Next color we're going to bring back is the Cajun Craze. And wait till you see what we do with this one. So excited. This one, we're adding first and second generations. And first and second generation. Now we could, I think we should, I think we'll add just an edge there. Can you guys tell how coppery that Cajun Craze is. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And very, very on trend right now. In case that matters to you. Doesn't to me. I just love it. Then we're going to bring in the old olive for real this time. And again, first and second generations. And this is all your preference on how you want to arrange it. There is no rules here. It's your card, and you can do it however you want to do it. This will go here because our sentiment's going to be in here. I think we're going to bring that there. Little different than the original, which is no big deal because I'm going to show you another one that I did too. So here is what this all looks like stamped. This one isn't the original either. Similar, all similar. All the same concept though. Here's our card base. We have to stamp our sentiment. Don't you love construction noise? Yes, I probably should have done this video when my husband wasn't home and working on construction in the house, but you have to do it when you have the time to do it, right? It's all good. Now here's where we're going to bring in the trinkets. I'm going to do this tie just like we did the last one. I'm supposed to be painting when he's done. So we want him to get done, right? There. Nope, that didn't get tied tight enough. We want tight so that it stays in place. There we go. This one. All right, now we want to bring in our trinkets. Do we want to do the 3-leaf or the single? I think we're going to do the 3 because I have more of those. I hope that's a valid enough reason. I think so. We're going to mount that. On here, just like that. And then we'll put this up there. And this will get dimensionals just like the last one did. I think I'm going to make them a little bit bigger this time because there's a little more weight on this one. And then we're going to mount this to our card base. Nobody's going to know that we did this, you guys. Because see, who's going to know? Only you guys in YouTube land are going to know, and you're not going to tell anybody. And then we're going to mount this right there. You are wonderful. So here is our stamp ink and paper, our original and the 2 sisters. Thank you so much for joining me today. You are truly wonderful. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you like this video, of course, you're going to hit the like button. Share with your friends on Facebook and wherever. And I hope to join you later, or hope you can join me later this week when I post my regularly scheduled video. Have a great day getting crafty, guys, and I can't wait to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.